Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to share location on Google Maps. So if you want to share your location either on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or any social media accounts, so all you're going to do is go to your Google Maps. So if you're using Android, it was pre-installed to your device. So tap this Maps right here. So if you tap this one, you can see here on my Google Maps showing where I located now. So when you see the blue dots at the middle of your screen right here, so you just need to tap this blue dot right here on the middle of your screen. Then you can see the share location button. So you just tap the share location and it will show up other options on the bottom. As you can see, you can share it on the email address as you can see on the screen, or maybe you want to share it on your messages, or you want to share it on the chats or your Facebook Messenger, Instagram, your Gmail, your account. But for this one, I want to share it on my WhatsApp. So I need to find the WhatsApp application. So just tap this WhatsApp app and then check this and tap on share. Now right here, wait for a few seconds until the WhatsApp open. And now you need to find contacts that you want to send your location. So for example, this one. And then as you can see on the message, you just tap on the send message. And if they try to click this link right here or tap this link right here, it will automatically show up my current location. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.